You probably asked yourself a dozen times today why you can't stop thinking about your partner's affair. You can't stop replaying the conversations, the images, the details he shared with you, and those he didn't, but you suspect that must have happened. Probably try to focus on something else, but your mind keeps bringing you back to the affair. What you're experiencing is something that is immensely common among those who have been betrayed. And the good news is that there are things that you can do to get yourself out of this mental loop. Two different experiences tend to get lumped together under the I can't stop thinking about this. One of them is a sudden intrusive thought, an image, a flashback, so something that comes out of nowhere. It is sharp and sensory, like you're right back in it. Or if you weren't there, it's imaginary, then it feels so real as if you had been. Now, the second one is the longer mental loop. You are analyzing, you're searching for an answer, and you're trying to make sense of what happened and why it happened. What you're experiencing is actually an unfinished emotional processing problem. Your mind keeps circling back because the feelings underneath these thoughts haven't been processed. So if you want to exit this mental loop, then what you want to do instead of analyzing is to really feel those feelings, the anger, the grief, and letting them move through you. When you're in the loop, pause and ask yourself, am I feeling this right now, or am I analyzing? If it's the latter, that's your cue that you want to come back to your body. Put a hand on your chest, feel your feet on the ground, and take a slower breath. What you don't want is trying to stop the intrusive thoughts and images. We can't stop what the mind presents, but you can stop the analysis. You can stop this second part, so you can have the thought and come back to the body. Focus on the body, focus on the right now, right here, the present moment, instead of analyzing it. And as you do that, you allow the emotions to naturally go through you. Now, one thing that I want you to pay attention to is that you don't want to flood yourself, feel too much too soon. Do as little as you can, as you feel that you're capable of holding right now in this moment, because capacity to hold strong emotions is rebuilt little by little after a traumatic event such as betrayal. And you are progressively teaching yourself that you are safe here and now. And when you're safe, that's when the mental clutter, that's where these questions start to reduce and the images become less automatically threatening.